Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make Fiji style spinach with eggplant. So let's get started.
I've got here 250 grams of fresh spinach which I have cleaned and rinsed, or you can use 1 packet of frozen spinach, 1 eggplant, 4 cloves of grated garlic, salt to taste, 1 chili which I have chopped, 1/4 cup of oil and 1 medium onion which I have chopped. Cut your eggplants into fingers and soak them in 1 tablespoon of salted water for 10 minutes. Place a non-stick fry pan on medium heat, add oil and heat it. Add onions and chilies. Give it a mix and cook it until the onions get a light brown color. While waiting for the onions to brown, drain the water from the eggplants and get it ready. My onions have a light brown color. Add eggplants and 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a mix, put a lid on and cook it for 10 minutes, stirring it twice during cooking. Add spinach, put a lid on and cook it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add garlic, give it a mix and cook it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, give it a mix and taste your salt. It just needs a little bit more salt. I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt, but you can add it according to your taste. Give it a mix and cook it for 1 minute. Turn the heat off and let me dish it out and show you. My Fiji style spinach and eggplant stir fry is ready and you can serve it with roti or rice. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.